investigation will start.
Any more reports that they admitted to the crime and
See, I don't know. We have not brought, and we have not even got our remand out here yet. Let us not speculate. Once there are so many things that the preliminary interrogation and preliminary investigation was done in those states. They may have divulged some things, but these things need to be confirmed and need to be corroborated and need to be backed with evidence.
So how many days will be seeking custody of them?
See, we are, I think we are asking for 10 days, and if we require more, we will extend our request for remand.
Any more arrests apart from these 5?
No, 5 till now, and then as investigation progresses, then we will be able to ascertain whether only these people involved or other people involved.
Will be taken to Sora tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow yet.
We are not decided.
No. We have to examine them first. Once the examination has been finalized, statements recorded, we get to the facts of the matter and all that, then SIT will decide on a date where they will go for reconstruction of crime scene.
Can you also tell us about the speculation about the pregnancy test of Sonam?
Yesterday, a thorough checkup was done in the Jingshah hospital. So they had done a check on the pregnancy, and it appears negative. But again, they will recheck her, I think, after the 24th.
Because there is a deviation from taking them to civil hospital. So what is the reason?
No, not them, just her only. Because Ganeshda's women-related hospital, its neonatal treatment is out there. So it was the best of things that we had taken her to Ganeshda's.
So
And what about the...
No, the other 4 are actually examined by a registered doctor only.
So is there already?
Yeah.
In the Sadar police
station.
What was the reason that they were not taken to civil hospital? The other 4 accused?
No, because we've got the registered doctor, police registered doctor only to examine them.
But is it necessary that, I mean, like they can be examined in medically?
By any registered, government registered medical officer.
Okay.
Yeah.
On the security front, do you see any issues, like probably the locals, from the locals, so are there? Because after all these events that have taken place.
No, I don't see any issues, but we'll take preventive measures.
Okay, there has not been any, people saying that, because people are saying that they brought a bad name to the locality, to the village, and Sora.
People of Sora are not violent, and even like I said earlier also, when there was such negative narrative, yet they continued to help in the search. They continued to help in providing information. They cooperated. They cooked food for the search team and all that, and so I don't see any threat. But nonetheless, police will just take preventive measures.
Okay.
Once we get the facts of the matter, no, I mean right now the facts are fluid. One person would say something, another person say something. So once we confirm the facts, these are the facts after we interrogate. Okay, Jingshah, we'll have to interrogate all that. What is the fact of the matter? Some people could, because it always happens in a crime when you catch a group of people, one person will throw the ball to the other. So whose role is exactly, what was his role, we need to ascertain. And after we've ascertained everybody's role out there, then we'll do the reconstruction. Otherwise we'll have to do reconstruction 2-3 times. And it's not feasible.
So what made the
Right, we'll have a particular.
Kasi nakadaw yung pagkakat na kuwi ka cash, kuwi ka apa?
Ti haba kilale soto hi haba kala del katrai te habia khatnya ini habiari te tangban lagi ki project ka plan ka long kom to kumoi andrai ka pulam no ka plan ba tangadin university syakem no ka plan ki ka flop.
So basically, what's our plan?
Emi ka plan ya kata tharu plan ho nilayo bits and pieces andrai ya kata ka tharu plan ni input tikna hi adin ba nilade interrogation full plan ke ka plan ki sang nilayo bits and pieces na ki accuse hai maga full plan exactly ni say yo ade ki see.
last night till date now?
Last night we actually began transit only. So, one team had reached at night or early morning, and the other team had reached this morning from 8:39. So both different timings, and After that, medical examinations have been done of the accused, and we'll be producing in court. I think as we speak now, production may be taking place. So that is the activity which has happened since yesterday.
What about the
No, there were a lot of speculative reports and all that, and it is always the best of things that for the safety and safeguards have to be taken. That when we are taking into custody and all that, to ensure that our health is of utmost importance.
Sa family
Dan shoot betul na.
hidup mendapat Ngut kibah syakin.
Kan yang mentah tu sangat kilas aras, buat mentah production bidang production itu. Derogation te ngala banong ha ke dekti ta no tai ngiri rasa ta begitu sebut ke dekti bukan dekti hindai banong ban confession buat jaga Sonam te I post ini mila derogation ini laban yok exact sequence of events baca